welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to wish you a warm welcome, and if you're returning, I want to say thank you guys for your support. It truly means a lot. You know, it's been a while since I've actually came here in person and greet you guys, and I figured, you know, let me just look presentable and come and say hello to you guys. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for oven baked turkey wings. This is going to be amazing. But before we jump right in, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to consider doing so. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. It helps the channel out a lot. Now let's jump right into it. Okay guys, now let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have 6 turkey wings that I cut in half and I washed in lemon juice. I also will be using some seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, paprika, ground sage, some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, and black pepper. I have ketchup, some barbecue sauce, green seasoning, sweet chili sauce, and brown braising sauce. So first we'll start by combining all of our sauces, mix well and set aside. Then I'll show you guys what we'll do next. Next we'll mix our seasonings until they're well combined. Then we'll generously coat the wings with the seasonings. We'll also add the green seasoning here, and we will add half of that sauce that we made. We will reserve the other half for later. Once we're all done, we'll cover this and place it in the refrigerator overnight. You never want to rush this process because turkey wings are a bit harder to season and you want to have the perfect turkey wings. So give it some time. So fast forward to the next day, I have here my baking dish and I have some chicken broth. I also have some flour that I will be adding to the chicken broth, and we'll create like a gravy for the turkey wings, and also this will be used to help to keep the turkey moist. You know, if you don't want to make a gravy, you can just add a little bit of water to your pan or a little bit of chicken broth. That helps to keep the turkey moist. Next, we'll add the mixture to our baking dish. Then we'll start adding our turkey wings into the pan. Now, I like to place the flat side of the turkey wings. I like to place the part with the meat down first, because we will be flipping this halfway through the process. So I like to place that side down so that it gets cooked nice and tender in that broth, if it makes sense. Once it's been cooked in that broth, that's what makes the turkey wings nice and tender and keeps it moist. Once we're all done, we will cover this with some foil wrap and place it in the oven for about 1 hour. Then I'll show you guys what's next. So I forgot to mention what temperature this goes in the oven at, and it goes in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After about 1 hour, we will now flip the wings to the other side so that they can be evenly cooked on both sides. Then we will add some of that sauce that we reserve over top of the wings, and we'll place it back into the oven uncovered this time for an additional hour. Then we'll be ready to serve. This is super simple and easy to make, but it's absolutely delicious. So after about 2 hours in total, the wings are finally done. They smell amazing and they are just perfect. Now I did add the sauce twice on the wings so that they can have a nice thick coating. And for the gravy that I made, this is what it looks like. I will be using this for my mashed potatoes. And yeah, this is it guys. Now I plate up and show y'all the finished product. So today I'll be enjoying my turkey wings with some stir-fried vegetables and some mashed potatoes. When I tell you this meal was the bomb, my entire family enjoyed it. The gravy I made was just perfect and the wings were full of flavor and super delicious. But just take a look at how soft and tender the wings are. You know, you could just pull it apart with your fork like so. It was super delicious and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!